Hello students, this is our eighth part of height and distance. So the question is the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point A due south of the tower is alpha and from B due east of the tower is beta, right? If AB equal to D, then prove that the height of the tower H is D upon under root cot square alpha plus cot square beta. Suppose the tower is standing at origin and P is the top of the tower, right? So the elevation from A, which is south of the tower, suppose the tower is standing at O, this is perpendicular to both the axis, x axis and y axis, right? So these are the points east, west, north and south. So from the point A is south of the tower. The elevation of the top of the tower from A is alpha, right? So now in right angle triangle OAP, right? OAP, AOP. AOP. So suppose this right angle triangle is AOP. Clear? So here cot alpha equal to cot alpha AOP. So this is OA upon OP, right? OA upon OP. OP is H, so it will written as OA upon H. It means value of OA will be H cot alpha. Clear? This is our first equation. Now in right angle triangle BOP, BOP. So this is BOP. Clear? Here cot beta equal to base upon perpendicular. So the base is OB upon OP, right? OP is H. So cot beta will be OB upon H. It means value of OB will be H cot beta. Clear? So this is our second equation and this is first equation. Now in right angle triangle AOP, AOB, here AB square equal to OA square plus OB square. Value of AB is D, so D square equal to OA. Value of OA is H cot alpha, this. OA. Put here. So this will become H cot alpha whole square plus value of OB is H cot beta. So this is H cot beta whole square, right? So this will become H square bracket H square cot square alpha plus this is H square cot square beta, right? Now d square equal to taking H square common, then you will get cot square alpha plus cot square beta. It means value of H square will be d square upon cot square alpha plus cot square beta. So value of H will be under root of d square upon cot square alpha plus cot square. So H will be d upon under root cot square alpha plus cot square beta. Hence proved. Very good question. Now our next question is, a straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. A man standing at the top of the tower observes a car. The man is at of the tower, top of the tower. Clear? Who observes a car at angle of depression is 30 degree, right? So here angle of depression is 30 degree, which is approaching to the foot of the tower with uniform speed. After 6 seconds, let the angle of depression of the car found by him 60 degree. How much? 60 degree. Clear? Find the further time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower. So in this question, the angle of depression when car is at A, the observer observes angle of depression 30 degree. When the car reach at B, then the depression will become 60 degree. Clear? So this angle will be 60 and this angle will be 30. Clear? Now let the uniform speed of the car be b meter per second. It means the distance traveled by the car in the given 6 seconds, in this 6 seconds, this 6 seconds. So in this 6 seconds, the distance covered by the car equal to speed into time, we know very well. So AB distance will be 6 into V, means AB will be 6V meter. Clear? So after traveling 6V meter distance by the car, the observer observed the angle of car is 60 degree, right? So this angle 60 degree. Clear? So now in right angle triangle, but in this question we find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower, means the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower, means when car will reach at P, then time taken by the car. Clear? So now we take right angle triangle APQ. In right angle triangle, in right angle triangle APQ, here tan 30 degree equal to h upon the distance is AP, right? AP. Value of tan 30, 1 upon under root 3. This will become h upon AP, right? Here AP distance can be split into two parts, h upon AB plus BB, right? The distance AB is 6V, so this will become h upon 6V plus BB, right? Now, so when you cross multiply, then you will get 6V plus BB equal to root 3h. This is our first equation. Now, in right angle triangle, this right angle triangle, B, B, Q, this, oh, this right angle triangle, B, P, Q. Here, B, P, Q. So here tan 60 degree equal to, so this is h upon PB, right? Value of tan 60, root 3. So this is h upon PB. Clear? Then value of h equal to under root 3 PB, right? So now this is our second equation. Clear? Put the value of h from equation second in equation first. Then we will get 6V plus PB equal to root 3 into value of h is root 3 PB. Clear? So this will become 3 times PB. Right? Now this PB transfer toward 3 PB. Then you will get 6V equal to 3 PB minus PB. Clear? PB. So this will become twice of PB. So value of PB will be 6V upon 2 means 3V. Clear? So the distance PB means the remaining distance which travel by the car finally, which is 3B. It means this distance covered by the car, the time taken by the car will be time taken by the car to cover the distance PB. T equal to distance upon uniform speed, which is V. So this will become 3V upon V. VV cancel. So time equal to 3 seconds. Clear? Then the car take 3 more seconds to reach the foot of the tower, which is your required answer. Now our next question is, an aeroplane, this is an aeroplane when flying at a height of 4000 meter, right, from the ground, passes vertically above another aeroplane at an instant when the angles of the elevation of the two planes, clear, from the same point on the ground are 60 degree and 45 degree respectively. Then find the vertical distance between the aeroplanes at the instant. Means, what is the vertical distance between the two planes? Means this, which is h. Clear? So the two planes are at C and D. Clear? So here in right angle triangle ABC. Clear? ABC. So tan 45 equal to BC upon AB. You know, value of tan 45 is 1. So this is BC upon AB. So AB will be BC. This is our first equation. Now, in right angle triangle ABD, ABD. So in this triangle ABD, tan 60 equal to so this is BD upon AB. Clear? So value of tan 60 you know under root 3. So this is BD is given in the question 4000 and upon AB, right? So value will be AB. Value of AB will be how much? 4000 upon under root 3 meter. Clear? But AB is equal to BC. It means BC will be 4000 upon root 3 meter. Now we want to the distance DC, which is equal to BD minus BC. Clear? BD is 4000 and BC is 4000 by. Clear? So take LCM and solve. Then you will get 4000 as common. Here root 3 minus upon. So this is 4000 bracket root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 into root 3. Rationalize it. So this will become 3. So this is 4000 bracket. This is 3 minus upon 3. When you solve and you calculate it, then you will get your answer approx 1690.5 approx, which is your